And it's trying to drift back in field, and it's taken by Alomalu. Now here's McKenzie. Oi! Intercept! And off goes Julian Savia. Under the post he goes. Now McKenzie gets it wide for Leonard Brown. Frees it up here for Harris. Now here's an opportunity for Stevenson. Back to Webber. Beautifully worked. And the Chiefs hit back. Off he goes to the left. Has a go himself. And gets there.
Might have lost it in there somewhere.
Jacko?
Yep.
It's not clear and obvious that he's actually lost that over the line.
Okay. So happy with the try?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, we'll try.
Well, the try is going to be given. So now the kick, and this could bounce anywhere, and it's been snapped up beautifully by Bosha. Still going, still going. Finally brought down by Perenara. Big chance here for the Chiefs if they can sling it wide. Kane sends it wide. They must score, and they will through Anton Leonard-Brown. What a try that is. Now Perenara tries to go himself. TJ Perenara scrapping his way and gets there. A second try for TJ Perenara. Not surprisingly. Now Geordie Barrett gives it away to Lamb. Ben Lamb! The form is back.
Time off.
We're going to have a little discussion here.
Come here. There's no issue until you did what you did. Away you go.
He's got a yellow card by Fafita.
Penalties now up here.
So there goes the final siren as Sam Cane wins the line out. McKenzie slings the pass to Alomalu. Now Tahuria Rangi away for Bosha. And Bosha, who's been outstanding tonight, scores a try that all it really does is bring the margins closer together, and the Hurricanes go through to the semi-finals by downing the Chiefs 32 points to 31.